No time being wasted, straight to the final of the men's 1500 meters T52. This for wheelchairs, a category which Raymond Martin has dominated over the last 2 global championships. 4 gold medals at London 2012, 5 at the World Championships in Lyon last year. Artem Shishkovskiy of Russia, whose personal best came this year of 4:41. And because there are 3 in this final, by the way, there's only gold and silver up for grabs. Thomas Geierspichler of Austria, silver in this last year, behind Raymond Martin, bronze in the 400. And Rob Smith of Britain gets the home support here. And they will be hoping to get one of the medals also, as is the case with the T52s, who's in quite a number of events, stretching back to the 100 meters. Coaches Jenny Banks for the 38-year-old is from Coventry. Smith, Geierspichler and Shishkovskiy are the 3 in this. All poised, Geierspichler, not easy to miss with that orange frame. Smith on the inside, Shishkovskiy on the outside. But Geierspichler has been winning this title, going way back to Athens 2004, won the 1500 meters there. The Beijing, he won the marathon. In terms of Paralympic Games, Geierspichler has won 8 medals, 2 of them gold, 3 silver, 3 bronze. He's already leading the way, 3 3/4 laps of the track in this men's 1500 meters, the longest race of Swansea 2014 to date. And trying to push himself up is Rob Smith for Britain as well, ahead of Shishkovskiy. But Geierspichler has taken an early advantage, and we'd expect him to try and keep this for as long as he can in this men's 1500 meters final.
And it's important that both Rob Smith and Shishkovskiy don't get too intimidated by the start and don't try and follow Geierspichler, who of course holds the marathon world record as well, so he's a real endurance runner. And he's well used to pacing his races, and they've just got to try and stay on his wheels at the moment, not exert too much energy in the opening stages.
It may well be a race for the silver medal between Smith and Shishkovskiy, and Smith has kept glancing around his position in second place just to make sure he holds enough of an advantage over the Russian Shishkovskiy. Smith's personal best coming this year of 4:11 is half a minute quicker than Shishkovskiy. But times like that don't really matter when it comes to championship racing. Geierspichler looking so strong and so smooth so far. Quite a gap developing between first and second, Geierspichler and Smith, and second and third, Smith and Shishkovskiy. There'll be 2 laps to go when they cross the finishing line this time around, and Geierspichler so far hasn't had to put an immense amount of effort in. Smith is constantly having a little glance between his arm and his torso just to see how well he's doing in terms of himself and Shishkovskiy, but the lead is being held really strongly. 2 laps to go, and it's Thomas Geierspichler who holds a very strong lead over Rob Smith of Coventry and Britain.
And of course, with only 3 athletes in the race, there are only medals on offer for gold and silver, so for tangible success it's important for Rob Smith to stay where he is at the moment, and he does have a healthy lead over Shishkovskiy. But Geierspichler has a personal best about 20 seconds quicker than Rob Smith, and that's been borne out by what we've seen at the moment.
Well out in front is Geierspichler as he comes round the crown of the final bend for the penultimate time, and he's got a massive lead over Rob Smith, and Smith's lead is actually massive over Artem Shishkovskiy, who's well back in third place and who right now looks as if he won't be on his way to a medal here. Geierspichler will take the bell, takes it at 3:18, and he's had to perform a lot quicker in previous races when he's been up against the likes of Raymond Martin. But it's he who leads, Geierspichler in the gold medal position. Now Rob Smith comes through at 3:29, around 20 seconds back. And it's Shishkovskiy who will be coming through in third place, and who I think knows now, unless there's a disaster up ahead of him, there won't be a medal for him today. 3 starters, 2 medals up for grabs. Geierspichler well in control over on the far straight, and he holds a lead of around 50-60 metres right now over Rob Smith of Britain, who's being very well supported in second place at the moment. Shishkovskiy is really fighting hard to keep the lactic acid away and to keep his chair moving. But turning the final bend, Geierspichler for Austria, the gold medalist in the 1500 metres in the 2004 Paralympic Games at this discipline, and he won the marathon in Beijing. He keeps on winning medals. Thomas Geierspichler comes through and crosses the finishing line marvellously. What a great victor. 4 minutes, 30.22 seconds. He gets a great win. It'll be Rob Smith of Britain in second place. Great triumph. Silver medal for Rob Smith, and Artem Shishkovskiy is going to come through in third, but Thomas Geierspichler, he was born the week that St James died. What a carry-on. Great gold medal for him. Third place for Artem Shishkovskiy. Great victory for Geierspichler. And I have to be honest, the only reason I know that fact is because I looked down and I saw a familiar date, because Geierspichler was born the same date as me. 1500 metres champion. Great victory for the Austrian. What a marvellous triumph to add to his collection. He's European champion in Swansea. Crosses the line, very comfortable margin of victory of 14 seconds in the end, 4 minutes 30.45. Gets the triumph with Rob Smith of Britain in second place.
Geierspichler looked as though he could have done another 1500 metres there. He was barely blowing as he crossed the line. He was in total and utter control of that race from the moment it started. Not a quick one, but in the circumstances, it simply didn't matter.
Comprehensive triumph for Thomas Geierspichler then, 4:30.45. 14 seconds clear of Rob Smith, who in turn had 24 seconds over Artem Shishkovskiy. So it's silver for Britain, gold for Austria.
But in the circumstances, it simply didn't matter.
Comprehensive triumph for Thomas Geierspichler then, 4:30.45. 14 seconds clear of Rob Smith, who in turn had 24 seconds over Artem Shishkovskiy. So it's silver for Britain, gold for Austria.